Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Cofiyard Propane 2-burner camping stove with carrying bag. That's include foldable design camping stove. The portable camping stove features a unique hexagonal symmetrical design, folds away nicely, and fits in the included carry bag. When you have limited space, everything that can get smaller is a bonus. The stove is perfect for family cooking. Thanks to its well-designed spacing, it can comfortably fit two 12-inch frying pans, allowing them to be centered for optimal cooking. This compact gas stove enables you to prepare a variety of meals simultaneously. Double burner camp stove. The portable gas stove features a dual burner design with two adjustable burners. You can have a coffee percolator on one side and a kettle or fry pan on the other, providing versatility for your camp kitchen. Total output of 17,000 BTU. This camping stove delivers powerful heat for all your culinary needs, from simmering sauces to searing steaks. Each burner has an independent control knob. Propane can last longer because of the precision heat control. Outdoor backpacking stove. Our foldable camping stove folds down to just 9.5 x 9 x 4.6 inch. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack and take on the trail with you. Ideal for backpacking, camping, winter camping trips, car camping, and motorcycle camping. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.